Hey everyone, we made it into Trader Joe's. Look at that. The mini skull succulent will be $5. Multiple colors and they're so bright. The large are gonna be 10, and at the bottom those are each. Your peacock cactus is $8. Look at this one up here. So normally for Christmas time, you know, they bring out like the Grinch tree. Cinnamon brooms are $4. As soon as you walk in, you have gluten-free pumpkin bread and muffin baking mix for $2.99. We have more pumpkin bread and muffin mix that is regular, not gluten-free. I don't see the price for this one. It looks like the gluten-free actually is $4 and the regular one's going to be $2.99. Let me get out of the way real quick. We have a pumpkin spread. Oh, that is different. And that's going to be $3. Sunflowers, so pretty. These are so pretty. As soon as you walk in, you have nothing but floral. Tons to choose from. Organic corn chip dippers are $2.29.
They're like Fritos.
Oh, like little Fritos. Okay. $10. This one's going to be new. Medium dark roast. Ground nutmeg is $2.99. They have caramel sea salt baking chips. Ooh, $2.49. That sounds pretty good actually. And vanilla bean paste is $5. Organic ground ginger $1.99. And up here, new for your face, we have pumpkin. The pumpkin overnight face mask. The pumpkin is actually really good for your face. There's more spread. Stuff for your doggies are $3.79. Pumpkin maple bacon stuffies. And this is like a room spray, $2. I'm gonna bring it down. Sunflower butter cookies. Oh, those are $2.99 with roasted sunflower seeds. Oh, have you guys tried that? That is new. I love looking at their pictures here. Sometimes there's like hidden stuff. One time Prince was in here, didn't notice. Okay, these are macro bars, $2.29. Maple sea salt, organic, vegan, and gluten-free. Sour jelly beans, these are $2. Okay, and they're also gluten-free. They have spooky bats and cats. They're sour gummies for $2.99. And double chocolate almond flour cookies, that is $3.99, and this one's going to be gluten-free. Green goddess, $2.49. And we have brown butter, oh, $5.99. It says a little bit of a nutty flavor. And these are $2.49.
She's the shopper?
$3.99. This is kale and cauliflower chili with beans. You know what? That sounds pretty good with chips. Kale and cauliflower. That's going to be a new one. Spicy rice mix is $2.69. And $5.99. The pumpkin spike seltzer water. Pumpkin bagels, you guys, are $2.69. Have you guys tried the pumpkin bagels? Let me know about it. I have tried these before, and you know, I wasn't a fan. $3.99, $4. I felt like it was kind of dry to me. Pumpkin brioche, oh, $4. Oh gosh, a lot of pumpkin everything. We have pumpkin bread down here. This one's gonna be $5. And then at the bottom, these are $3.29. Let me pull them up. Vanilla bean scones are $3.99. Rich and creamy. They have mini orange cranberry tea scones for $3.99. And then blueberry right next to it. Vegan banana bread with walnuts is $4.29. And pancake bread is $4. I still haven't tried this. Have we tried it?
No.
$4.49. We have the little sheet cake. Sea salt brownie petites are $4.49. And of course they have the brownie and cookie like a brookie for $3.99. sea salt chocolate chunk cookies. You get 3 in here for $3.99. And up top, you guys, these are $5.49. I have to watch out. I'm right in front. Right in front is where everybody comes. That's where all the baking goods are. They have vegan oatmeal chocolate chip. That sounds really good. $4.29. I do love a good oatmeal cookie. Vegan trail mix, $4.29. And they do have vegan chocolate chip. Let's see, mini carrot cakes are $5.49. You get 4. And of course, vegan vanilla cupcakes. You get 4 for $3.99. Okay, almond ring Danish. Those are $4.99. So I want to say these might be similar to the ones in Costco that you get 4, I think, or 3. Cinnamon coffee cake, $4.99. And Half Moon is $3.29.
I like that almond sweet.
Molasses cookies are $3.99. Pizza crust, $3.49. That looks pretty good. And then $2.49. This is $3.99. Oh, everything looks so yummy. You know, I love a good garlicky bread and cheesy. Anything pizza related, I'm all about that life, okay? $2.49 here, but you know, it gets me bloated. But look at all the bread. So much bread here. My gosh, I'm so jelly. $2.99 for sourdough. Chips in a pickle. Oh, what? Chips in a pickle. $2.29. And look, they have the ghost and bats are $1.99. White truffle potato chips are $2.99. And these are $2.99. Ghost pepper is $2.50. Hatch chili cheddar seasoning popcorn, $1.99. That sounds kind of good. White cheddar is $1.69. Gluten-free at the bottom, $2. And down here, they have jalapeno seasoned corn and rice puffs for $2. Fall leaves, these are $2.99, and they do have the sauce. Have you guys tried this one? $2.99. I haven't tried it yet. I want to see if they have the harvest sauce here for pasta. Okay, let me keep walking. Pumpkin Jojo's. These are $3.99. Actually, no. Pumpkin Jojo's are $2.49. Limited quantity. They have this pumpkin walks into a bar for $1.99. And pumpkin chocolate chunk. I don't see that one. But that one is $4. Jelly fruits are gluten-free. Those are $4. $4 for organic dark chocolate covered cocoa beans. Okay, gotta make sure no one's behind me. Okay, because you know Trader Joe's gets so crowded. Ice cream, you know, all the prices are right here. I don't see anything like pumpkin yet. I see like sorbet, matcha green tea, cold brew and boba, peanuts, and chocolate non-dairy. Oh, here we go. Here's a pumpkin. I think the only person that liked that was my son. Pumpkin ginger, $3.29. Everyone keeps saying the chicken or the soup dumplings are good. I haven't tried it. I think I'm gonna try one and then my kids could test it out. They're $2.99. Pumpkin cranberry crisp are $3.99. They have pumpkin bisque. I don't see a price for this one. Cornbread crisp for $2.49. The fried ravioli looks really yummy for $3.99, you guys. Oh gosh, if you have like a big family, you're probably gonna need 2 bags. $4. And you know what, the best are homemade. My grandma, oh my gosh, give her a pumpkin and she would make that. $7 for a pumpkin cheesecake. On top, these are $4. $2.99. We have butternut squash mac and cheese. And butternut squash mac and cheese bites are $4. $2.99. We have maple pancake puffs. They're like little mini ones. Oh, I wonder if that would be good in the air fryer. And these are $2 here. And $2.49 for mashed sweet potatoes. $4.79. We have almond croissants. You have 8 mini ones for $4.49. And then $3.99 apple cinnamon oatmeal bites. So PB&J snack duo, $3.99 on the go. That's gonna be a new one for me. They have soft baked snickerdoodles for $2.99. And then chocolate cream sandwiches are $2.49. So we have pumpkin spice granola bark, that is $4.49, and I believe that is gluten-free. Pumpkin biscotti is $3.99. And there's one more. Okay, let me get out people's way. The haunted house cookie kit is $8. Pumpkin pretzels are $2.99, you guys. And over here, the harvest collection is $4. Pumpkin spice cookies are $3.29, and these are $2.99. Gluten-free pumpkin pancake mix is $3.29. They have pumpkin butter for $2.29. That sounds so yummy. And they do have pumpkin pancake and waffle mix made with real pumpkin for $2.99. And then of course the pumpkin puree is going to be $1.99. $3.49. It is a bag. Okay, I'm gonna grab 2 of these because when they sell out they don't restock it. They have pumpkin Alfredo sauce for $3.50. If you guys tried that one, let me know about it. That seems kind of tempting, but you know, I'm not too sure. $5 pumpkin body butter. Pumpkin ravioli, $3.69, you guys. Again, if you have a large family, you might need 2 or 4, maybe 3. Pumpkin spice hummus is $2.49. And $3.69, they have pumpkin 4 cheese Greek style dip. Even pumpkin stuff for your dog. These are $3.49. Pumpkin everything here. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here and check on out. I bought a pumpkin Kringle, pumpkin puree for the dog, banana chips for my son, and that dumpling soup. We're gonna try that out. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.